What do you really need to do? Make a list on all the things that you love that you are currently doing to invest in your personal, professional, mental health and stability. Now, what are the things that you aren't doing that you would like to do? So we're going to do what we currently do. Now we're going to do what we'd like to do. And then here comes the juicy list on there. What are the things we've got to stop doing immediately to become that person that I need to be? Then on the do side of it, we're going to really get granular on what do we need to do and stay in action on. And even when we get off track, we're going to get back on track and we're going to reevaluate and we're going to reorganize and we're going to restructure. We're going to develop these habits that are going to get us there. And then when we get to some of those milestones, we're making the money that we want to make, we're building the business that we want to make, we're tuning up our relationships the way that we want them to be. Now we're going to double down and now we're actually going to give back to those around us and lift those people up around us.